All right. This is a platform that I use to make all of my trades. It's very, very intuitive, a safe site. Their history speaks for itself. Their reputation speaks for itself. Now, there's two sites that I want everybody to bookmark that I think is very, very important. I have these bookmarked. The first one is very, very simple. I want you to bookmark Google Finance. And what Google does, it's going to show you your top movers. Look, this is in my list right now. The top movers. This is the most activity, meaning the most action. These stocks are doing the most action today, whether that's a negative action or a positive action, okay? I also want you to bookmark, here, one moment, this site right here. This is going to be a pre-market scanner. What this is telling you, this is showing you what the stock market is doing prior to opening. And remember, that opens up at 8:30 Central Standard Time. So this is going to show you what's happening before the stock market opens, all right? And again, look at all this. Look at all this change. Green, 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 green. And for me personally, I think that's a good indicator. If this is making a lot of movement in the green prior to the market opening, I have a good feeling that these are going to do good positive numbers today. Now, that isn't set in stone. That isn't 100%. But my feeling tells me these are a safe bet today. All right. And again, this is updated prior to the market opening today. All right. So these are two, I don't even know if I showed the name, Market Watch. So these are two sites that I want you to bookmark. All right. And for those that are not computer savvy, let me show you how you bookmark a site, all right? Let's say we already went to Google, we typed in Google Finance, this pops up. We'll go over here, you'll see this blue little star. Click it, that's how you bookmark this site, all right? And the same with any other site, pre-market scanner, boom, we go over here. Now that you open up your account, how do we find those stocks, all right? Me, I've already looked at Google Finance. I've already worked on my pre-market scanner, okay? So I've already identified what stocks I want to place money into today, all right? So let's go with the one that I made money with today, okay? I'm going to go right here to the search bar. I'm going to type in that stock, all right? Here it is right here. Now that it's loaded up, you look, it's still doing great numbers. You saw what it was at when I sold. It's even higher from when I sold. So essentially, what you want to do is you want to hit buy. All right. Here, let's click this. Now, once you buy, now these are the real-time numbers. They're no longer at the 2258. So I guess what this is showing the high for today. So what you're gonna do now is once you refresh this, you see what this stock is trading at now. All right, you're gonna select your account. I'm not gonna pull this down because it's gonna show my account number and I don't need y'all playing with my money. All right, now if you want to buy it, how many shares do you want to buy? For instance, if I want to buy 5,000 shares of this at the market rate, I'm gonna hit market. What this is gonna show me when I hit preview order, it's gonna show me approximately, it makes me put in my account, so I'm gonna hide that. Okay, it's going to show me how much this is going to cost me to buy. At 5,000 shares trading at 21.15, it's going to cost me $100,000 to buy into this, all right? But that's not what we're going to do, okay? I was just showing you how to buy into your stocks, all right? Now, once you've bought into a stock, remember, you want to buy low, sell high. Once I'm ready to sell, this is what I'm going to click on. I'm going to click on sell. What I'm going to then do is select my action. And again, I'm going to sell. All right. Let's say we bought 1,000 shares of stock. I'm going to put 1,000 in there. The order type, market, means they're going to sell it at what the market is currently at. I really don't like doing that unless I want to get out really, really quickly, okay? What I almost always go to is a trailing stop loss amount or percentage. This is what I did today, all right? The total amount, right here, you're essentially putting in how much you want this amount to trail your bid or your ask amount, okay? And these are really important. So essentially what this is saying, if I put in 10 cents, all right, what this is triggering, what it's telling me is once this drops below 10 cents, I want to sell all the stock that Warren has. But the good thing being that it's a trailing stop, if this increases, so does this. Meaning, let's say this jumps up to 21.17 and I have the trail amount at 10 cents. This is going to trigger at 21.17 if this goes up to 21.27 because it's triggered at this going below 10 cents to reduce my risk factor, okay? So again, I'm just showing you how to sell and the smartest way to sell, okay? Now let's get out of this. I'm now going to show you the trades that I did today. And again, I told y'all this was a very, very, very smart buy. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you what it's done. I'm going to go to Google Finance right here. I'm going to show you what this stock has done in the last 5 days. In the last 5 days, this stock is up 47%. That's crazy, right? So let's say 5 days ago when I told everybody to jump into this, you would have jumped in. And let's say you put in $10,000. Imagine how much money you would have earned. If this was starting at $14.29, it is now currently at $21.09. Okay, let's do the math. Let's say you put in, okay, we said $10,000. We're going to do actually the number of stocks you bought. Let's say you bought in at $14.29, okay? So $14.29, you bought 1,200 shares. We're going to say this number, 17,148, okay? I'm going to place this right here, 17,148, okay? And then let's say you decided to sell your 1,200 shares right now while it's traded at 21.09. So 21.09 times your 1,200. Now this is what it's at. So now let's subtract what you bought it at, which was the 17,148. You would have made $8,000 in a matter of 5 days. Easy money, easy money. 5 days, you made $8,000. Now, with that money, you can buy your bundles, you can buy your trips, buy whatever you want to. But $8,000 in 5 days, had you jumped in when I told you to jump in. Hey, y'all, what's good with it? It's Warren, a.k.a. ATM Man. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to make a lot of money today, all right? I believe it was Wednesday or Thursday. I told everybody, hey, buy into this stock right here. Buy into this stock, okay? Some did, some did not. On Friday, I bought in at 1986, and I go to Fidelity to show you this. I bought in at $19.96 per share. Pre-market, which means right before opening. The stock market opens from 8:30 Central Standard Time or 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's when it opens, all right? Well, now this has jumped up to $22.86 pre-market. All right, remember, I bought in at $19.96. So this is up $3. The market is about to open. I'm just going to refresh to see what it's at. The rate's at 22.37. I'm going to now adjust my trailing loss here. You see this changes every second. Look, the market just opened up. I'm going to preview my order. Estimated value is $26,820. I'm now going to place my order. The order received at 22.35, which means if this goes under 22.35, it triggers to sell all my stock, all right? But if you look over here, it's already jumped to 22.49, and I'm already at, you saw 26,000 right now. So if this continues to go up, my number of 26,000 is gonna go up as well, all right? So now we just play the waiting game to see if it goes down. Hopefully, What we want to do, look, it's still going up 22.56. So what we want to do, or what we want to see, is this continue to go up. Right now it's going up, and like every second this changes. Okay, as you see, our trailing stop loss again is at 22.35. This is at 22.55. At this number right here, I'm gonna make, like you saw what the value was, $26,000 or whatever. So if it never goes under that, I will never make less than that $26,000 number. Now look at this, 22.95 is continuing to shoot up. So right now I'm making a lot of money, so hopefully this continues to go up. That's all I can pray. I'm gonna go to my portfolio real quick. Now that my stop loss has been triggered, you can see what I made today. Today I made over $3,000 in 3 minutes. Crazy, right?